Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I will walk you through how to get travel insurance online using the VisitorsCoverage website. If you're unsure where to begin or don't understand travel insurance, don't worry. I'll make the process simple, and clear. VisitorsCoverage is a great platform for travelers, offering various insurance plans tailored to your needs. Let's begin by exploring the website. At the top of the homepage, you'll find a user-friendly interface, allowing you to select your destination, dates of travel, and age, making it easy to get started. The insurance options are displayed clearly with all the details you need to compare plans based on coverage, cost, and benefits. One standout feature of VisitorsCoverage is the ability to see which plans cover COVID-19 related incidents, important for travelers today. Now let's go over some of the main advantages of using VisitorsCoverage. The site is straightforward, with no hidden fees, and it offers comprehensive comparisons of various insurance policies from trusted providers. However, a minor drawback could be that the abundance of options may feel overwhelming for first-time users. But don't worry, I'll help you navigate through that. Once you select a plan, you will see a detailed breakdown of what is included, from medical coverage to trip cancellations and delays. Now, speaking of reliable services, if you're looking for a dependable travel insurance provider, I highly recommend trying out Ekta Traveling, a platform I personally use for my own trips. You can find the best deals and top-notch coverage for your travels by clicking the link in the description below. Let's move forward to review the cost breakdown. One of the benefits of VisitorsCoverage is that it allows you to customize your coverage based on your budget. After choosing a plan, you'll be shown the final cost, with no extra fees added during the purchase process. I recommend reading through the terms carefully to make sure you are getting the protection you need. Whether you are traveling internationally or domestically, VisitorsCoverage offers plans suited for a variety of trips. To finalize your purchase, the checkout process is quick and secure. You can easily pay with credit card options, and your policy will be delivered to your email immediately. That wraps up the overview of how to use VisitorsCoverage for getting your travel insurance online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and step-by-step guides.